Alright, so we're going to be doing a quick take today. My name is Brian. This is the Apple Bias. And today we're going to be talking about this. This is the dbrand Teardown sticker, decal, whatever you want to call it, for the iPhone 12 mini. I've had it on here for at least a week now. And as you can tell, it looks really cool. So the way it comes in two pieces. There's this piece right here, and then there's the piece that covers the cameras. But sticks on pretty easy. It was a little hard to get on over around, making sure this kind of lined up just right, but not that bad. What do you guys think? You think it looks pretty good? Leave a comment down below on what you think about it. I think if, the phone wasn't colored, or, if it was just the standard one, this I'd even like more. I do actually like the blue of the phone. So I'm not actually going to keep it on much longer. The other issue that I've ran into is that everybody's favorite MagSafe accessory. It fits, it works, it holds pretty well, but it's not as tight. It does loosen up a lot easier. And you're just putting an extra layer in between the magnets, so it makes sense. So yeah, in JerryRigsEverything fashion, I figured let's remove this in style, right? So we're just gonna kind of come through. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. This is my only phone. So yeah, so we're just gonna pull it off with my fingernails instead of with. And I could probably, it looks like if I kept the thing, I really think I could probably re-stick this. I may try to keep it. I could keep the camera on there, but I think it looks a little weird without it. Alright, let's just take this piece off as well. Comes right off. Now we're back. Yeah, fits way better. So, it's awesome. It really is. It's really cool to have, but overall, I love this more. So it's not for me, but I will put a link down below in case you are interested in it. It's sweet. dbrand and JerryRigsEverything Teardown sticker, decal, whatever you want to call it. But if you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you like, also feel free to subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. God bless.